Alright, so these are the cables I'm going to be running, and I'm going to pre-run all of that before the installation of the head unit. So the first one is the Wi-Fi antenna, which I'm going to be installing right here behind that plastic panel, and the cable is going to go up into the area where the head unit is installed. The other thing is going to be the 4G card adapter. Same thing, I'm going to be running that through here to be always available in the glove compartment, so the cable's going to come out like that. Also, I'm going to be using a 1-port USB adapter that's going to run from there, and it's going to be here in the glove compartment as well for easy access to adding additional memory. And in addition to that, I'm going to have also this USB-C extension, which is going to give me access to the USB-C port in the back of the unit at any time. So any accessories I want to add, they will be available to be plugged through the glove compartment. So that's what I'm going to be doing next. It's basically, there's a straight hole here. That hole gives you access to that area where the head unit is installed. So that's all we got to do. Once I finish that, I'm going to come back. All right, notice this is how I'm going to route those cables. Basically, I run a zip tie through it and then tape the cables that I want to go through the hole, and then pull them through. Basically, rinse and repeat for each of the cables that you want to have in the glove compartment. Now I'm going to route both the USB-C extension as well as the USB 1 port. Same thing, they're both are going to be installed on the glove compartment. So all I'm doing is basically routing that through there. I'm pulling on the zip tie, and as you can see, they come out on the other side. All right guys, this is how I'm routing the Wi-Fi antenna. Remember, I was going to put it behind this. So that's the routing. I'm just pulling through. As you can see, it's now inside. All right guys, this is how I'm routing the Wi-Fi antenna. Remember, I was going to put it behind this. So that's the routing. I'm just pulling through. As you can see,